Hey guys, it's Karen. I'm just making a quick little video because I had some books come in. I'm gonna have a table at a little art bazaar, and so I needed to order a few books of my coloring books. This is the Mandala Motifs one, the first one in this adult coloring book series, and I just thought I'd show them to you. Some of you have seen my books and some have not. Anyway, I have, in this order, 2 different books came in. Trying to flip through this. And the other one is for Christmas, since Christmas is coming up. Here is 25 holiday designs to color. So if you bought this, presumably before December 1st, you could do one every day. But the show I'm going to is not actually going to... Look at my messy office. Don't even look at that. Don't even look at that. Ignore that man behind the curtain. He's messy. I don't know if I can put this on here without... I want to kind of show it off. So, anyway, that's the inside cover. And all of these coloring books have like a little test page where you can test out like new pencils or colors or whatever. And I don't know if I can get all this in frame. I didn't really do a good job of showing this book off before last Christmas or the Christmas before. I don't even remember when this came out, but he's one of my favorites. Surfing. A lot of these were originally Christmas cards that and other Christmas designs that I sold. I transferred a lot of these into coloring pages. Dear Santa, thank you for my gift. Aw, how nice. Santa. Pretty cardinal. Some angel kitties. This design was for a Facebook friend who I knew through the old Cafe Press days. Some of you know me from there. And these were little kitties I did as memorials to her cats. And I turned them into a fun pattern design. And I sent this one out as a Christmas card one year. Dolly is having fun. And so is the Arctic Fox. I tried to put some simpler designs in there too, if people needed a break, you know. Joy to the world. Penguin. Penguins were really big several years ago. Then it was foxes and owls, and then it was sloths. I don't know what it is now. Here's another simple one. And here's a poinsettia pattern. Sorry, this isn't very... Here's some more snowmen. These guys are bringing down a snowstorm. How nice of them. Here's a Santa portrait. Oh no! That's not good. Here's a pretty snowman with his pretty cardinals. Nutcracker. Can you see that? I'm all crooked. Sorry, guys. I'm not doing the best with the filmography here. This is one of my favorite ones. I lived in Arizona for a while, and so that's where this came from, this idea. The original card wasn't very good. I did it so many years ago, and so I'd actually like to maybe recolor this one because I feel like this version is, the illustration is so much better than the original conception. And here was a snowflake mandala. And then at the back of these books, there's always a few pages to, I don't know, if you feel like doodling, or more pages to practice coloring techniques if you need it. And about the author. So, that's it. I have another book coming in tomorrow, some more books, but anyway, these are going to be for Bazaar. I'll tell you more about it when it gets closer. It's just a local thing. So my local friends might want to stop by. But anyway, I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.